Omukoro gwo kwemeka Bertha Naruhanga nk'omuhandiiki mukuru wa ofisi ya FUFA bw'ekyanga kya Bugwizoba gwakorwa CEO wa FUFA Edgar Watson hamwe na Deo Mutabazi ori omwe aha kakiiko akakura ka FUFA hamwe n'abandi abakuru kuruga omu FUFA abarimu Hajat Aisha Narure.
So they say, for you, where you know, can you imagine? You said that the president came to my place. I'm telling you, I just heard that now for president is coming to Chile.
Aha mukoro nugwo gumwe FUFA yagaruka yayemeka abakuru b'obukiiko bwa district kandi aba bashoborerwa emyoga y'omuhandiiki mukuru hamwe no kugunjurwa mu kureba ngo bayamba okutungura omuzaano gw'omupiira omu byanga byabo.
In Africa, on and off, the field. Tokubasa kubana mbemwe. Ompera guratandikira. Mutariyo. Akuba already omuzano kwa ya injire abagira region abagira big league abagira premier muri omu transition ya exiting the system the infrastructure of the
slow responsiveness that has been around. Sometimes things don't move fast. We are coming in to say we are now direct into the activity. We are also trying to implement the manifesto of the FUFA president as a structure to reach out the people at the district and at the region.
The only problem we have, or the challenge, Mr. President, if you remember, that these days, even a student can come and contest for a vote, for the post of a delegate, which used not to be like that. We used to have people who put in their time.
Okutongoza okukubira omu byanga byona munane bya FUFA kandi Bugwizoba niyo yahereruka. Abwa TV West and Aloysius Byamukama.